In this lesson, we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing with integers. So, adding and subtracting, there were quite a few rules that you had to remember. Multiplying and dividing, it's a little easier. Now, the rules for multiplication are the exact same for division. I'm going to go over both, but they're the exact same. So, multiplication, a positive times a positive is a positive. This one's easy to figure out. 2 times 2 is positive 4. Now, if they're both negative, negative 2 times negative 2, that is also positive 4. Positive times a positive is positive. A negative times a negative is positive. Well, you can remember that. If both signs are the same, your answer is positive. Now, if they're different, a negative times a positive is negative. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. And a positive times a negative is a negative. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. The easy way you can remember both of them is count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is even. Therefore, your answer is even, or positive, sorry. A negative times a negative. Count the lines. 1, 2. 2 is even. Therefore, your answer, your product, will be positive. Now, if it's an odd amount, 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd. Therefore, our answer is negative. 1, 2, 3. It's an odd amount of lines. Our answer is negative. And again, for division, it works the exact same way. Positive divided by a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is positive. Positive divided by a negative is negative. And a negative divided by a positive is negative. So hopefully that makes sense. I do want to talk about one other thing really fast. Now, in elementary, sometimes we use a x for multiplying. But in middle school, we do so much algebra, especially in compacted math. We can't use the x anymore because x is a common variable. So there's two other ways we can write multiplication. We could put 2.2. Make sure you put it high enough where it doesn't look like a decimal point. But sometimes it does look like a decimal point. The easiest way to write multiplication is with parentheses. All right, so that is how you multiply and divide with integers. Hopefully that made sense. If you need any more help or further explanation, please email me at jhulett, H-U-L-E-T-T, @leisd.ws. Good luck.